this is going to be a product review of the Black Mountain Products Anywhere Anchor. Now, I bought this online for a very good price. And I will be honest, they have a competition out there that makes something just like this. And the problem with the competition is it's always out of stock and you can't get it no matter where you look. So I went with the Black Mountain product, and I'm taking it out of the package for the first time. And this is one heck of an Anywhere Anchor. So we've got, I don't even know what this material is in here, but it is cushioned so that you do not damage your resistance band. It is wide enough so that what you normally do with this is you can put this around a tree, you can put this around a pole. With me, what I'm going to do is I don't want to drill holes in my wall. I don't really want to use the door anchors. So with something like this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this around a very heavy dumbbell that I have on the floor. And so what you would do, you'd have the dumbbell, and you'd wrap it around like this, and you'd cinch it down. And then after I get that down, then I can just take my resistance bands and put them in here, and then use this to do my exercise. I don't really need to show you the exercise. Anybody that uses resistance bands knows what I'm talking about. The plan is to have the weight on the floor, put my bands over there, and then I'll be able to go and do my arm curls and all of my exercises while I'm standing up, because obviously the weight is going to hold this down on the floor. And then afterwards I will lie down on my back, keep this again around the dumbbell, and then do the over the head exercises. And also I will hold this to the side and keep my band over here and do my flies. So Black Mountain Products, they have this in stock. Hear me again, they have it in stock. I ordered this online, free shipping. It was here in about 3 days to California. I don't know where they're located. It is very well made. I think you can see the nice stitching that they've got in here. It looks like double stitching all the way around. They put some type of material right around the end of the band to stop it from fraying. The padding is nice. And I'm going to put a comment in here. When you use these things, it's just like your exercise bands. Use your bands for a few years and replace them. When they start to fray, when they start to wear out, throw them out and buy another set. That's the most important thing. Same with a strap like this. Always look at the strap when it starts to wear. And these things will wear. I don't know. This is probably going to take years to wear, considering what I'm going to use it for. You can also wrap this around a pole. If there's a flagpole around you, put this around the flagpole. Let's just imagine my arm as a flagpole. Put this around the flagpole, tighten it down, and now you've got something that you can put your resistance bands in. I don't think this is long enough to wrap around a tree unless it's a small tree, but most of us are not going to be doing exercises in front of a tree. So, Black Mountain Products. I'm going to look and see if they sell this on the Amazon site, and if they don't, then I will let you look them up on the web and try to purchase it that way. But again, all I had to do was go on their website. I clicked on it, put it in the cart, put in my credit card info, and this thing was at my house within days for the exact same price as the competition that never, ever, 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 ever has this in stock on their website. So I am very happy that I bought it. Black Mountain Products, I believe they also make resistance bands and other items for exercise, so check them out on their website. And as far as my video, if you like my videos, please do a thumbs up, a subscribe, a like. If there's a product you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, I will do the review. If you want to support my channel, ask for my PayPal info. Make sure you share this video, and thanks for watching.